Oswafo ya wohwe nsase ni mu adodode ensem eso opanyini ede nsem ahodo atudwane se Samuel Abuginapo ene wo chese galamsey no meche efumagudie tu enamra kwanso no wo mugusu aya wo mu gina wonaso a chese wo tu ase na wo hunu se ebraso se wo mu sesa wonsa de kwanfaso a wode edi sa adwume eno nti omo ne hye ahodo aba ya wo mbehwe na wo mu awaso den no ogusu aya wadwen se obetumi aya aban ne krokro de dwon na wo mu tufu magudie no woni wo mu ede asie
Ghana by na shase henhye ye odigu akwama ebetuma hwe na etu galamsey dwumadi ekoso o mantam ne mesna hodomu ase na abra sentwerefo ene osrofo hwe nsase ne afumagudie ho nsem so owura Samuel Abuginapo edi nkomo no o kire mu se henhye ye aban ne de ba begu akwama no enche o de betudwa
to him.
Support to government and the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources in our quest to preserve the lands and natural resources of our country. It would be remiss on my part if I did not give you a gist of what we resolved as it relates to illegal small-scale mining, galamsey. The conclusions of our meeting, the fundamental conclusion of our meeting, is that we are going to sustain our efforts at coming to grips with this menace, this existential threat of illegal small-scale mining. And the Military High Command, under the leadership of the CDS, is committed to continue to pursue the measures which they've rolled out currently to make sure that we resolve the issue of illegal small-scale mining in our country.
Enwachi, wacha na adwen de fa Ghana mampanyin sema okaye edefa Akota Mining Company Limited no eho.
No, I mean, for some reason that is be taken out of the discourse, but the president gave a further assurance that not only is Akota Mining not engaged in illegal mining activity in any forest reserve, as he spoke yesterday, but additionally, he had put in place measures, his government had put in place measures to protect the 294 forest reserves of our country from attacks from illegal miners and illegal mining activities. So the president was not speaking about the wrongdoing or otherwise of Akota Mining in the past, the criminality or otherwise of Akota Mining in the past. He was not commenting on what happened in the past.